Hi guys, so today I will be talking about the Real Techniques Multitask Brush, and this is the collection by Sam and Nick. Starting off, I just want to show you guys what the brush looks like. So on the back it does say Multitask Brush. Like I stated before, the bottom of the brush is just this nice, almost like velvety foam feeling grip on the bottom. Right here is kind of like the aluminum. It feels like what a regular makeup brush would feel like right here. It's kind of like shiny aluminum feel. And up here, the brush is super soft. It has like a little coarseness to it, which I like about this in particular brush. And then it's kind of like brownish going up into like a blondish. And I think that's my eyeliner on it. But starting off, I actually got these brushes individually. No, I got these brushes in a set, and you can purchase them individually though, but I did get these ones in a set. And like I said, this is the multitask brush. So when I first got them, I was like, I already had brushes I was using, and I was like, man, I don't want to open a new pack of brushes because, I just wanted to keep using the ones I had. But it turns out that one of my other Real Technique brushes, like one of a thicker one like this, ended up breaking. So I ended up opening a pack for this brush, and I really, really, really do love this brush. So like it says, it's a multitask brush. I use this to apply my setting powder. I use this for bronzer. I use this as a setting, before I do my foundation. I kind of put a little bit of setting powder underneath for my concealer. Like, it's just an all-around good product for me. I do love this brush also because it's durable and it's sturdy, and like I said before, guys, it doesn't look like a brush to me that's gonna break anytime soon. I love the packaging of it. Like, I love how the black transcends to pink, and the sturdiness of the product is something that really gets me, because I hate when things break, and I just feel like when you're investing your money in something, you're investing your money in the brand, and that's the way I look at it. And if I feel like I've had a product that's broke on me before, I'm just like not gonna be anytime interested in it. But this doesn't ever feel like it's gonna break to me, and I really appreciate that about this product. Also, when I'm using this brush, I honestly don't it gets everywhere. It covers my face so nicely. Like, the coverage on it, the way the bristles slide against my face, it just feels like a very nice and very good anybody who's ever had a good makeup brush probably understands what I'm saying right now. And anybody who hasn't, I really do suggest Real Techniques as a whole. Right now I am talking about in particular about this brush, but if you need a good makeup brush and a good product, I do suggest this brand of brushes. And also, something else that I really do like about these brushes are that, and particularly about this brush, is that it is a multitask brush. So if I'm looking to minimize my travel size and what I'm packing, I will only bring this brush and probably two other brushes, just because this I can use for my highlight, I can use for my setting powder, and I also can use for my contour. And I do not wear blush, but I have seen people use this for blush too. And then I would only, alongside of that, just need to bring an eyeshadow brush and my brow compact duo, which honestly is better than bringing an eyeshadow brush, a highlight brush, a contour brush. You really save a lot of space investing in this product. Something else that I really do love about this is, like I said before, the bristles on the brush. So I don't know if you guys can see this, but it honestly combs through so nicely. And I love makeup brushes that doesn't shed, and this one does not shed at all. Like I said before, I use this for multiple things, and I think something that really grinds my gears with certain brushes is how it will leave little pieces of hair on your face after you get done using the product, and that's something that literally like is I cannot tolerate. Like, I shouldn't have to go through on my face and pick off the little pieces of hair that was left or the residue from the brush, and like I just like literally this is a good brush. Also, cleaning the brush is very easy too. I've just recently cleaned my brushes. That's why you're like, you never use this, but it is clean because I just got done recently cleaning my brushes, and as you guys can see, I've cleaned it. Still looks like good as new, like no shedding. And usually there's brushes that I bought that I'm like, this is a good brush, until after I've actually washed the brush, and then it's just kind of like, okay, like now it's shedding, the hairs are falling off. Like, no, like I should be able to clean my brushes and it works the same. And I've cleaned this brush and it honestly works the same. Something else that I extremely do love about this product is the size of this, like the width. So I love having a good grip on my makeup brushes when I am applying my makeup. And like I said before, down here is kind of like a velvety feel, but up here is kind of like an aluminum, like kind of like plasticky feel, and it does feel durable. But I love like like how thick this part is, because I really can hold on to it nicely, and I don't have to feel like it's gonna fall out of my hand, or it's not like shorter. I love how this is like elongated in the length of it, because it really makes me feel that I'm getting like every angle and dimension of my face when I am applying my product on my face. Like I stated before, guys, if you guys are looking for a good and sturdy and solid makeup brush brand, I do suggest Real Techniques. I do love this brush. Like I said, again, this is the Real Techniques Multitask brush by Sam and Nick. This is their collection of brushes. And yeah,